What's going on, guys? Up here on a rainy, crappy day on top of the shopping center, doing a couple maintenance. Actually, I'm maintaining that unit, but I condemned this unit last winter, and so I just figured I'd make sure everything was shut off on it as far as the gas, because this girl has seen better days. You can see how rusty she is. Look at that. If I can reach my arm in there. Look at this. It just crumbles. I poke my finger right through there. Gosh, look at that. Very, very dangerous. But got the gas valve turned off too. Not sure how well you can see in there, but gas valve's turned off. Gas is turned off. Sorry about that, my camera cut off. Here's the heat exchangers, and basically, if you look over here, it's just a 2-burner system, and you can see our inducer is mounted right here, and those are our old heat exchangers. There, you won't be able to see it, but there is a crack in that seam right there. But the more obvious problems are those 2 holes right there, that big one and that one. Now I could probably find more if I looked around in there, but there's really no reason to. So, but just figured I'd show you this old girl while I was up here doing a maintenance. The air conditioning still works. I put a compressor in this thing, I believe it was last summer. So the air conditioning side, I also did a repair on that condenser coil that was blown out, but air conditioning still works on this thing, but not so much for the heat. That unit is also condemned. I've never worked on it, so I don't know what exactly was wrong with it, but it's been off for at least 3 years. It used to be covered in a big blue tarp, but hurricane probably blew all that right off the roof. So yeah, like I said, I'm doing a maintenance on this gas pack over here, so I'm going to go ahead and get started, but figured that would be something to show that old rusted up furnace. So we'll go ahead and get started on this one. ICP, baby. ICP. So yep, let me go ahead and knock this out before it starts raining again. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.